Hello everyone, this is Vikas Singh. I hope you all are in well condition. In this video, I will tell you the class 10th English syllabus. The government decided to reduce some chapters due to coronavirus. In English literature, there is three parts: prose, poetry, and supplementary. So first, I will tell you the prose chapter, which one is coming or which one is not. The first one, the Enchanted Pool, is coming in your exam. The second one, A Letter to God, is also read. You have the Ganga, and the third one is Sukrat, and the fifth one, Torch Bearers, and the sixth one, Our Indian Music Stories and Anecdotes. These two chapters you don't have to read. Which one is ticked, you have to read, and the cross one you don't have to read. The fifth chapter and the sixth chapter you don't have to read. Torch Bearers and Our Indian Music Stories and Anecdotes. These two chapters in prose you don't have to read. So look at the poetry one. This is the second and third part of English. In poetry, only three chapters you have to read: The Fountain, The Psalm of Life, and The Village Song. And the fourth one, The Nation Builders, you don't have to read. The Nation Builders in poetry is reduced. And in supplementary, the third part of English, The Inventor Who Kept His Promise and The Judgment Seat of Vikramaditya. These two chapters you have to read. And the third one, My Greatest Olympic Prize, you don't have to read. This is the another section of English, and it is based on English grammar. All chapters in section B is you have to read because these all chapters are very important for your next classes. That's why no any chapter is reduced in English language. So I hope you understand all the syllabus of class 10th. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section.